Hi everybody, welcome to seminar. I just wanted to do a quick video here. I'll put it in an announcement as soon as I'm done about starting this class because it is completely online, yet we have that aspect or that component of the course that is your HIT showcase or showcase seminar. If you get the syllabus and follow that very closely, read through it a couple of times. Let me know if you have any questions about it. You can see the modules here, week 1, week 2, week 3. And then there's a module here that says use this for job preparation. Okay, there's different links in there for 3, 4, and 5. Weeks 8, 9, and 10. Then we have a whole module about state meeting and a whole module about applying then for the national exam. Week 1, there's a lot of reading here for you to do and understand and make sure that you do, read and understand. On the syllabus, looking at the course calendar, I'm just switching mine here. Week 1, right away it gives you the lesson or the readings that we need to do, the assignments that are listed, the points for each one of the assignments, the unit objective, okay, where we're omitting those units from the course guide. The full course guide is listed here in your module that says course syllabus and course guide. There's the course guide if you ever wanted to look at that. The program learning outcomes, and I post them below. We have HIT program learning outcomes, and then we have to meet them in every single class. And so we're meeting number 4 in this class. And the common learning outcome for this seminar course is apply knowledge and skills to life. We have a couple of things that go on in this class. It's not very anal and it doesn't stair step like a lot of our other classes do. And it's harder for me as a faculty with this class because I like to have everything right in order for you so it goes really, really smooth. So bear with me with this class. A lot of it goes in order. I try to make it, as best I can, but it is up to you to watch your dates. You really, really need to be closely intertwined with the dates on your calendar. Those are exactly how it's set up. Nothing should change from those. You have a few things, a few irons in the fire in this class, and that's what really that introduction tells you. I've typed all this up for you. It's a little bit different from your other classes. It's separated into different sections. You're going to do a mix of activities here as well. There is professional development with interviewing and mock interviewing. There is doing these RHIT practice exams, the parts from this book that you had to buy. Really be careful when you do the first one. I want to scroll down here to show you this one, Domain 1, Data Analysis and Discussion. It says locate the table of contents in your RHIT exam prep book. Find practice questions, Domain 1, okay, and the page number. Complete just those. Then you check them yourself from the back of the book. And then you post in your posting 5 questions that you got wrong. And you can just say, I got number 6, 15, 27, you can put the numbers. And yes, you will get a lot wrong, okay? You're not graded on the actual, exams from here. But it's a reflection. Where are you at and where do you need to be? Okay, when we're getting closer and closer to, our national exam time. But be careful. I want you to really be careful that you're in the right area. Okay, so really be cautious about finding that table of contents, finding the practice questions just for Domain 1. And as you can see, I'm looking at right now in the 7th edition in the purple book, it does say page 64. I have students start the wrong ones. There is a practice exam 1. There's a practice exam 2. We'll do those later. Okay, we're going to go through every single domain separately first, and then we'll do those practice exams later. So be cautious about where you're starting here, okay, in this book. The other thing is, we're all adults here. We need to group up in teams, okay? We need to get groups ready for our showcase or our seminar. 2 or 3, I would say, and 3 is a stretch. I might approve it, I might not. You need to group up in pairs of 2 to maybe possibly 3, and you need to research a current HIT topic. I would recommend, and what I always did for my students that are in class, and if you are on campus for any other classes, you can come in. You're welcome to come into my office. Look in the most recent copies of your AHIMA journal. Okay? As a student member, and you should have your student membership, you need to have it for state meeting pretty soon here. You have access to the journal of AHIMA every single month. A lot of hot HIT topics are in there. You find articles, you find things that are going on. The AHIMA website, just in general, can help you logging in and looking through newest publications, things like that. That can help you find a topic. When you're thinking about your topic, and it has to be cleared through me, and you'll read more about that later, think about your audience. Your audience is past graduates, people that are working in the profession. You're not going to give them a presentation on how to do release of information, because they know that, right? It's a practice that they do every day. But if you find a hot topic out of the Journal of AHIMA, and you find how people are using iris scanning for, say something in the hospital, and that's new, and that's coming down the pipe, or that's something, a feature that can be, implemented into your EHR, or just something, savvy, tech savvy, something like that they could utilize in their own facility that maybe they aren't now, that's going to be way more impressionable to them, right? Than you telling them how to do the job they already do. Do you get it? So you have to think about your topic, and you have to think about your audience, so that you are giving them some kind of information that's new to them, exciting to them. They want to more, hear more about it. And if you need help, I can help you with tweaking or maybe whittling it down, drilling it down into, a topic that's doable in 15-minute, type presentation. The presentations that we have here on the Kelmer campus are poster board presentations. And so my students will often get together, work together on poster boards. Some have brought laptops to show a quick video of something. But mostly it's just presenting. A lot of my students will give a handout that people can take with them to help them remember about what they learned that day, or different stickers or buttons or something, different. Anything, you gotta have some kind of a gimmick or something to give to them that really helps, increase their willingness, to listen and really ask you questions and give you great grades. They're going to grade you as well on your presentation. So think about that. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, this class is kind of all over the place. It's kind of hard for students, but just let me know. I'm here every single day. So ask me questions and I'll get back to you right away as soon as I can, okay? I have 9 classes this semester, so I'm super busy, but I will always get back to you. All right, thanks.